Hey guys, so in today's video, I wanted to walk you through the June 2020 monthly planner. I wanted to go over everything that's included, what it is, and how it works, so you guys can see that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right in. So the monthly planner is a bullet journal style planner where you get the planner plus a bunch of extra stickers to decorate the planner every single month. So this is everything that's included in June's edition. So you get 4 sticker kits plus the monthly planner. And the monthly planner is packed with all kinds of fun pages and different things. So it's more than just a planner, it's kind of a journal as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into the planner. So every planner comes with a cover page, you can see right here. So that it looks nice and organized inside your GoodNotes or whatever app you're using. And then the next page is our content page or our index page. All of these are hyperlinked so you can easily navigate throughout the planner, but you also have tabs on the sides of the planner as well, so you can jump around inside the planner. And the home link always goes back to this content page, but you can quickly see everything that's included in this month's edition of the bullet journal. You also get these to-dos, which you can duplicate these pages as many times as you want. So you can, and we left a space up in the top where you can easily write in, what kind of to-do list this is for you, so you can keep it all organized. And then you also have a notes section that functions kind of like a little notebook for you. And then if you click on the actual planner, it will take you to the first page of the planner, which is always a note from the editor. It kind of goes over what this issue is about. This one has like a little quick thank you for our subscribers, because this is a planner where you can either purchase individual months or you can also subscribe to get a little bit of a discount and get a new one every single month. As a side note, subscribers also get access to our vault, which is a bunch of freebies, and all of the freebies from our Friday freebies on our Instagram. So if that's something you're interested in, you should definitely check that out. I'll put a link in the description box below. So after that, the next page is going to be, this changes every month. So this month we're focusing on resilience. So this is a bunch of information about how to increase your mental resilience. I try to pick themes that are really helpful for whatever's happening in today's environment. So I picked resilience for this month because it's our 3rd month of quarantine here in the US, and I think it's definitely weighing on everybody. It's been a long couple of months. So this section can sometimes be 1 page long, it can sometimes be 4 pages long, it kind of depends on the month. The next one is our year at a glance, which you can see it's just pre-decorated for you. So everything matches, you have a full theme for that month. And then you also have your future log. This is where you would keep track of any future dates, and it rolls, so it always includes the next 8 months. And you can just easily copy and paste from May over to June, June to July. So you can kind of keep an idea of what's going on throughout the year. Here is the June monthly calendar. And then here is the May reflection page and a cute little poem about being resilient. And then this is just a way to kind of get an idea of what you want to work on moving forward. The life evaluation page, again, just sort of focusing on what you want to work on moving forward in your life. All right, next we have goals for the year. This is sort of like a goals brainstorming page. And then we have where you can break it down into picking your goals you want to work on and planning them out for what month you're going to do what. And then this is another page that changes every month. So for this month, we have Resilient Building Curated Resources. These are a bunch of videos and books that are all about building resilience. And some of these TED Talks are just absolutely amazing to watch. You learn a lot from just a couple minutes of hearing about these people. Then you have your coloring page here. And if you've never colored in GoodNotes, let me show you real quick. I like to use the highlighter to color. And because what happens is it helps you stay, I messed that up, but you can easily stay within the lines when you color with the highlighter. I just don't lift up my pen, as you can see, and it will create a really consistent color for this little block. And then look, it's all within the line. So that's how I do that. And then you have your sleep log. The way this works, if you've never used a sleep log like this, say today is June 1st and I slept from 7 to, well, let's make a more realistic time. Let's say I slept from 11 to 7. You block this in like this. However you want to color it in. I'm just doing it super fast so you don't spend a ton of time watching me color. And then the next day you'll do, okay, I went to bed at 9 to 5. You just go like that down the line, and you can kind of get an idea of how your mood is impacted by your sleep. So then the next page is our habit trackers. So you have a little box up top where you can fill in what you're tracking and then mark down the days, and then your mood tracker. So you kind of, the way this works is you would color in, use the same color again. You would color this in. I want to use blue for mad, and then say today's the 11th and I'm mad. I'm going to color this in. You can see how you feel on like a monthly basis, and again how you feel compared to like how much sleep you get. And it's just a way to kind of give you an idea of what makes you happy, what makes you mad, so you can work on, living a life more in tune with how you want to feel. Then you have your June bucket list and your June to-dos. This bucket list I purposefully leave blank, but I also include in the extras we'll go over in a second, a pre-made list of ideas that you can use to just have fun for the month. So I'll show you that in a minute. You can just paste it in if you want to copy mine, or you can pull ideas from it or just create your own. And then here's when you get into the weekly spread. So you can see over on the side, we have 5 weeks for June. We always make sure every single day is included. So even if this doesn't always fall on a first, you will always have every day of the month included. And sometimes that means the planners overlap, which is fine. So for June, we did this layout changes every month, and then you can kind of go back in and swap out your layout if you want. We have other layouts on our website, or we include the layout, a blank layout for you in every kit. So you can use those moving forward. You can use them in different planners, however you want to use them. You'll always get this weekly layout as an insert to use however you like. Each week comes with 3 pages. So you'll have the weekly layout, you'll have the meal planner, and we leave the weekly layout undecorated so you can use sticker kits that don't necessarily match the planner if you like to plug in different sticker kits. So you don't have to feel restricted to just the kit, the stickers that come with each kit. Then you have your meal planner, and then you have a notes page, which I personally have really enjoyed having a notes section at the end of every week because I can keep track of just the notes for that week, and I don't feel like I'm getting cluttered with a ton of notes. It sort of keeps them organized. And then again, you have your notes section at the back of your planner as well that's linked to this front page here. So that's it for the planner. Let's go ahead and jump into the extras. So we have 4 sticker kits. If you're not familiar with my shop, every collection we release comes with 3 sticker kits. We have our bullet journal, our standard, and our monthly sticker kits. And they all kind of are geared towards a certain type of planning. But with the monthly planner, you get all 3. Plus you get an exclusive kit that is only available with the monthly planner. And I'll show you what's included in those in just a second. So let's walk through the standard kit first. So you have like 140 something stickers in this kit. So you can kind of see all of these. And the way stickers work in GoodNotes or in digital planning is you can just select the individual sticker. So you get the individual GoodNotes file that already has these pre-cropped stickers for you. You also get, for people who don't use GoodNotes, you also get the individual ping files, which means they're transparent files that you can use in any planner app that you want to use. So, but the GoodNotes file makes it super convenient for my GoodNotes users. You can see you've got a bunch of washi, checklists, headers, numbers, and a bunch of cute little deco in this kit. Then you also have the bullet journal. That one's going to let me put the bullet journal on. This is the bullet journal version. So this one has a little bit shorter boxes with a couple long boxes mixed in. You have your round numbers, a bunch of kind of fun notes and tags and things like that. More headers, to-do lists. You have these big, the bullet journal one comes with these big background, like almost like paper pieces. You also in the bullet journal get the hex codes down here, you can see right here, to like plug into your highlight or your pen. So you can just insert these numbers. When you go into here, you can put in custom and insert these numbers, and you can pull these directly. So if you want to have coordinating text or whatever, you can. And then you also have these fun little stickers here, just kind of decorative, functional stickers, I guess is the right word for those. So then the monthly kit is one of my favorites. You get some really different sized stickers, and then you get a bunch of these like really fun, they kind of remind me of Happy Planner stickers with the grids and stuff. You get a ton of just like note boxes and headers, things like that are super fun to decorate with. You have your monthly headers in this one, and then these little watercolor splashes. These are some of my favorite things. So I'm going to show you how to use a sticker real quick on these. So you circle it with your lasso tool, then you tap inside it, you hit copy, and then you can go back to your planner. So let me put planner in. And we'll just go to this page here. And you can use this. And I love to use this to like layer. It's super fun. So you can just put, I don't know, what do I want to put on top of it? Maybe something for this one to show you real quick. It's just a fun, I just think the watercolor splashes are super fun to work with. And they're semi-transparent, as you can see, so you can use them in a lot of different ways because of that. So that's the three main kits that you might be familiar with if you're familiar with our shop. Then you also get these exclusives, so we'll go through the exclusives real quick. Okay, so you get a whole new sheet of deco stickers, which is super fun. Again, they're all individually cropped. This one's kind of overlapping that little part, so you can see they're individually cropped. And you also get this list that I was telling you about earlier of different fun little things you can do in June. And then you've got your June calendar and header, and then a bunch of just different useful headers you can use to decorate your planner. And then the next page, you also get that blank insert pages that you can use however you want. All right, so that's it. That's everything that's included in the June 2020 digital bullet journal kit. I hope that this is helpful for you guys, and I will see you next time.